Using my hat cam, we're showing the Autel Evo liftoff from its landing pad. We're out here in Rome, Ohio in Ashtabula County. My name is Bill and welcome back. We're going to have about a 5-minute video here showing some fall colors that we shot recently. I had to drive considerably south from where I live by the lake because the leaves haven't started changing where I live yet, so we drove quite a distance south here and to Rome, Ohio, and to southern Ashtabula County, and we're on a nature conservancy estate here, and I thought it would be a good place to get some fall colors shooting here. We're just going to adjust the gimbal here for optimal angle to make sure we don't get any blades in the video. So as we're going to fly down this this open field and take in some of the trees, those small red ones in front are really pretty stunning. But even back in the woods there, you can see a wide variety of different colors, and I think that the leaves haven't reached full color when I shot this video. Probably maybe this weekend or the next, they'll probably have reached full color. The weather's been pretty bad. That's why it's been a while since my the last video to this one. We've had nothing but rain and wind and not really good conditions. Now, if you notice at the back end of those trees there's a little opening, and I thought that was an opening that might lead somewhere, so I'm climbing in altitude here, and sure enough, that opening was a pathway to another field. And actually, if you look on the ground, you'll see where that pathway continues on the left side of the tree line there. But we're up now high enough, about a little over 100 feet altitude, and high enough to take in a pretty nice vista. Just an amazing assortment of colors, in the yellows and greens and reds and oranges, against a really brilliant cloudless blue sky. Really makes for a very scenic view, and some high ground in the back where you can see it's kind of bare there, but just a pretty stunning view for early fall color shoot. And might try to get one more in before or after the colors reach full full impact. We're now facing a barn on this premises, and Ashtabula County has got a lot of different trails for people to follow. You've probably may have seen my covered bridge series where I show the 19 different covered bridges in Ashtabula. They also have what they call a barn quilt trail, and there's over 100 barns in Ashtabula County where they have put in this particular instance, this is an 8-foot square artwork on the side of a barn, and as I said, there's like 100 of these. This one was very nice. We zoomed in here to 2x just to get a little bit better view. I thought it was a very interesting looking barn, sort of a winter scene there over there. And now we're back to 1x, and we're just going to do a flyover. I thought the roof of this barn was really interesting with the steeples sticking up. I believe those are serve a dual purpose, as not only for lightning protection, but also for ventilation on the inside of the barn. Some of you may recall some of my other shoots where I flew over similar structures and almost wound up hitting them in my other things. Now we're looking at we're at 3x zoom here, looking at the playground and the lake in the background. Last year I shot this with my XK X380, and we're back to 2x here and now 1x, just giving you an idea of how well you can zoom in with the zoom lens with the Autel Evo. And you can see me hiding there in the shade of behind the administration building, and we're heading back to the launch pad. Hope you enjoyed this 5-minute video of some really stunning colors. hopefully we'll get in another color shoot before the colors fade away. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Come back again. We'll try to get up another video soon as the weather holds out.